So I'll be showing you how to start a workout on your Apple Watch. So what you want to do is just press on the crown and then look for the workout icon, which is this icon right here, this green icon with someone running. That's the official workout icon. Tap on that and then you have different workouts. Okay, now the list is going to be organized or arranged automatically depending on which workouts you do the most. So the workouts that you do the most will always appear at the top. So go ahead and find the workout you want to track or you want to start on your Apple Watch. For instance, if it's an outdoor run, select outdoor run, and it's gonna start on the count of 3. And currently it's recording everything to do with your run. Okay, so if you go back to that app, you can actually see it's recording everything. If you swipe to the right or swipe to the right, you have your music controls where you can control music. And then when you swipe to the left, you have the option to lock in case it's raining and you don't want your Apple Watch to get water inside. You can just tap on lock. You can also pause the run and you can also end and resume. That is basically how to start a workout on your Apple Watch. Now, as you can see, it's currently paused because the watch automatically detects that I'm not currently running. So it's going to auto pause. I can resume anytime I want. I can pause when I want and resume when I want. Now you can even press the crown to go back to the watch face while the workout is being recorded in the background. Okay. So when you're done, just go to the main menu, find the workout icon, and then tap on end to end the workout. So that's basically how to start and how to end a workout on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.